Hello everyone, I'm Rostov and this is Vitoza from Spetsgruppa DM. We are a Belgian airsoft team based on the Russian Special Forces, mostly FSB and MVD. We're gonna talk about one of our loadouts now. I'm gonna start from the top. Vitoza is wearing a K63 helmet replica with a ASAR VV woodland cover. On the right side he has a Russian patch and on the top he's wearing his ballistic goggles. Vitoza is wearing an Kukla catsuit with a black fork defender from IRT. On the back he has his FSB patch and on the left side he has his yellow reflective armband. He's also wearing a smash from SSO with RPK pouches and a butt bag on the back. Vitoza's replica is an AK-74 with a PT-1 stock, the RK3 grip with a P13 rail with the hollow side on it. For the front rail he has a B10 with the RK6 front grip and a molded mag. On the front he has his flash hider that's custom made with an extended charging handle on the right side. On the bottom we have the black knee pads and the black Cobra boots. So thank you all for watching. In the future we will be making more videos of our loadouts. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can always look us up on Facebook on Spetsgruppa DM. Thank you.